SICK was responsible for developing the very first light curtain for accident prevention back in the 1950s. And thus, with our more than 65 years of experience in safety solutions, we are continuously working on the improvement of our DeTec product family in order to offer you critical benefits by the use of these safety light curtains. All of our experience goes into your success. DeTec4 is available in 13 graduated protective field heights with a resolution of 30 or 14 millimeters for protection of hands and fingers. Now, with an even larger scanning range of up to 30 meters, you can provide reliable protection for even exceptionally wide machines. And they are ready to use in no time, thanks to the integrated laser alignment aid. 8 multicolored diagnostic LEDs precisely show the status of the safety light curtain. With IO-Link, DeTec4 provides a data interface. For example, you can measure and evaluate the height of pallets in muting stations using beam data. Thus, safety and automation are combined. For DeTec4, SICK offers innovative NFC diagnostics by smartphone or tablet. Using the SICK Safety Assistant app, detailed device data becomes visible, such as the dip switch configuration. DeTec4 is resistant to heat, cold, and spray between -30 and +55 degrees Celsius, and its structure is modular. With a corresponding system plug, a universal safety light curtain turns into your matching solution. Thus, you optimize your stock keeping and avoid confusion of variants. DeTec4, because we take safety to the next level.